Avoid confusing customers by translating plumbing jargon into everyday words the moment you say it. Instead of technical terms, describe what the part does or what problem it causes, so the customer understands the issue and the fix without needing a dictionary. Think about it like this. When you talk to a customer, they don't care what a word means in a textbook, they care about what is happening to their house and what it will cost to fix. So instead of saying you have a faulty flapper valve, you could say the rubber piece inside your tank that stops water from leaking is worn out and needs replacing. Here's something most folks don't know. Studies on communication show that when people hear a term they don't understand, their brain actually starts tuning out the very next thing you say, even if it's important, like a price or a timeline. That means confusing language doesn't just sound bad, it literally causes customers to miss key details about their own repair. A simple trick many top technicians use is the 7-word rule. If you can't explain a problem in about 7 words a middle schooler would understand, simplify it further. Try practicing this with your next 3 customers and see how much smoother the conversation goes. One common mistake is assuming that because a customer nodded along, they actually understood you, when really they just felt embarrassed to ask questions. So always pause and ask them to repeat back what they heard in their own words. Another big issue is overloading customers with too many technical options at once, like listing 5 different valve types, which just creates decision fatigue. So instead offer only 2 clear choices with simple pros and cons. Lastly, many professionals forget to explain the why behind a repair, and customers who don't understand why something is needed are far more likely to feel like they're being overcharged, so always connect the technical fix to a real-world benefit, like protecting their home from water damage. If you need help with a project, search for trusted, affordable local contractors at www.bighomeprojects.com. You can also download our app, JobIt Tier, where homeowners and property owners can list jobs and have home service experts and contractors reach out, message you back, and offer their estimates.